Hi, my name is Gavilanes and I'm gonna talk about on-off controller. Definition. It's the simplest form of feedback control. Simply drive the manipulated variable from fully closed to fully open depending on the position of the control variable relative to the set point.
ये सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करना हो तो एक कंट्रोल एक्शन की हमें रिक्वायर पड़ती है। ये कंट्रोल एक्शन ये होता है जिसे ऑन ऑफ कंट्रोल एक्शन क्या होता है। यदि कोई सिस्टम है, ये सिस्टम में सिर्फ कंट्रोल को ऑन, इसका ये यदि टेम्परेचर इसका कूल हो जाता है तो
On-off control theory. When process variable changes and crosses certain preset level, the output valve of the system is suddenly fully open and gives 100% output. Generally, in an on-off control system, the output cost change in the process variable. The output valve of the system is immediately closed and output is suddenly reduced to 0%.
On-off switch or driver, which is going to be driving the output transducer, whatever device that may be, will be plus or minus 13 volts. So the output transducer, which is going to be driven, it's never going to settle in one state because it's going to be overshooting where we want to be, and this is known as hunting. So let's look at. It's going to take a little while for the heater to heat up itself, and then it's going to take a while. So it's going to connect.
Pros and cons. Pros. It's very easy to design, understand, and implement. Are very cheap the controls, and control systems are usually used when precise control is not necessary, useful in a slow changing system. Cons. The performance poorly when controlling rapid system fluctuations. It's known hysteresis is implemented, they can damage actuators and pumps due to rapidly switching them on and off around the set point. Where is it located? It's a simple thermostat is a simple negative feedback control. When the temperature goes below a set point, the heater is switched on. Air compressor. When the pressure drops below the threshold, the pump is powered. Refrigerators and vacuum pumps contain similar mechanism.
Current from the output of the op-amp. By using the op-amp as a comparator, despite its dependence on the gain and the problems that arise from it, we will obtain the control signal that we need, and sensor voltages respectively. Don't forget that we are using positive feedback in order to saturate the output of the op-amp as we saw in the lectures. So, when V0 is equal to 0,
Conclusion. Also known as hysteresis controller is a feedback controller that switches abruptly between two states. These controllers may be released in terms of any element that provides hysteresis. They are often used to control a plant that accepts a binary input For example, a furnace that is either completely or on or completely off.
as the process falls. If the process the user has to compromise between good control and 25% of power. Similarly, if the cycle time was set to 64 seconds, as is needed, it's generally better to set the cycle time as long as you can get away with, but still have adequate control in your process.
Thanks for watching.